Hi everyone, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and very good evening. My name is Associate Professor Dr. Noor Kaslina and I am a lecturer and a specialist doctor in one of public university in Malaysia. I am a consultant pathologist and holding a post of Associate Professor in medical school in my university. Alhamdulillah, praise be to Allah. I am deeply honored and privileged to share with you today on the product that available in this company. So before I go on further to talk on the UGCare, let me stress on few issues with regard to health. I am very sure everyone here know that the time and health are the two precious assets that we normally don't recognize and appreciate them until they have been depleted or gone from us. Therefore, appreciate it by take a good care of your health, by living a healthy lifestyle, avoiding anything that will harm your health. There are many means and ways how to protect our health, and one of them by nourish our body by providing a good and quality food or supplement to maintain a good health. Money cannot buy health. Therefore, kindly appreciate it and maintain it properly. We are so fortunate that we are the chosen one that fated to get in or to know about the UGCare. Among numerous health products available in the market, we are lucky that this UGCare contains the lines up of quality and miracle extract from a well-taken care plants that grow in an organic ecosystem devoid of unhealthy chemical or pesticide that may contaminate the plants. Apart from that, this company also had initiated to maintain the quality by getting an approval from several accredited bodies and organizations in order to ensure that this product is safe for all of us to consume and maintain its quality. One of the main ingredients of interest in the UGCare is artichoke leaves, or its scientific name is Cinnaras collimus. This artichoke is originally or native in the Mediterranean area. The active substance in artichoke has a very special effect to our body by exhibiting a significant pharmacological effects and health benefits that have recently been reviewed. The bitter taste of artichoke plants is attributed to its high content of lactones, which is cynaropicrin or its main bioactive substance. Photoaging is the main causative agent for the increased risk for skin cancer and the appearance of the damaged skin. Aging of the skin is a complicated biological process which is characterized by skin wrinkling, laxity of the skin, and increase in the pigmentation of the skin. These effects are due to or induced by several environmental and biological factors. The most common factor is the ultraviolet radiation that arises from the sun. This will lead to eventually to the formation of the reactive oxygen species that can cause damage of the vital macromolecules of the skin such as lipid, protein, and nucleic acid. Eventually, this will contribute to the process of photoaging and photocarcinogenesis. UV radiation induces the release of various pro-inflammatory cytokines in the skin cell, which finally activate the NF-κB. Excessive activation of the NF-κB has an essential role for skin photoaging and other disorders of the skin such as cancer, psoriasis, and rheumatism, and a lot more. NF-κB stimulation will increase the production of the fibroblast growth factor, which causes skin thickening due to hyperproliferation and increases in the pigment deposition, leading finally to photoaging. Therefore, NF-κB inhibitors such as Sinaropi cream that present in UGCare will be a novel ingredient in the anti-aging skincare treatments. Sinaropi cream is a very effective as an anti-photoaging agent acting by suppression of the NF-κB mediated without having significant toxicity to the skin. This diagram to show the health benefit of Sinaropi cream. I had explained about the anti-photoaging and antioxidant activities of the Sinaropi cream for the skin. At the same time, Sinaropi cream also has an effect as an anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, antiparasitic, anti-hyperlipidemic, and as well as the anti-tumor or cytotoxic activity. At the same time, Sinaropi cream also may help the body to prevent from the effect of the gastric acid in the stomach. For those that had affected by the hepatitis C, this Sinaropi cream may help to stop the advance in the infection of the liver by the hepatitis C. This picture just to show the difference between young skin cells and aged skin cells. On the right side, this is the structure of the young skin cells. As you can see, the cells are well manneredly arranged and regularly distributed. And it gives rise to the appearance of the skin. The skin appears smooth and healthy skin without any wrinkle. On the right side, this is the aged skin cells looks like. It was irregularly distributed with the various sizes of the cells. Therefore, it gives rise to the appearance of wrinkle, increase in the skin fold, and unhealthy color with the dry skin. Another important ingredient in UGCare is Dokudami, or its scientific name is Cotonia cordata. If we split the word into two, we get doku, which means poison, and dami, which means stop. So together it means something like antidote or remove the poison. This lovely herb grows well in Japan. The primary component of Dokudami, which are good for our health, is quercetin. It's a flavonoid, sometimes used as a dye because of its yellow color. It has many health benefits as artichoke, such as anti-inflammatory, antiviral, antimicrobial, anti-tumor or cancer, and etc. We had heard so much on the effects or consequences of inflammation. These are the diseases that may arise as a result of inflammation. The diseases are from various systems in our body, including the heart disease, degenerative diseases of the brain, such as Alzheimer's, Parkinson's disease, dementia, and other chronic diseases, such as diabetes, chronic kidney disease, arthritis or inflammation and degeneration of the joints, autoimmune diseases, and last but not least is cancer of various organs such as lung cancer, stomach, kidney, and so on. Therefore, in order to help our body from getting these diseases or to delay in getting the diseases or their complication, we need to have an anti-inflammatory agent like the ingredients that present in UGCare. We hope by consuming the product help us boosting the immune system, regulate the normal body metabolism, and ultimately produce healthy cells in our body. This picture is showing chronic skin disease leads to bacterial infection of the skin. The bacteria get into the body through weakened or abnormal skin, or low ability of the body to protect from infection due to low immune system. The wound can easily cause the spread of bacterial infection to the blood circulation and may give rise to severe infection or septicemia. Another picture here showing one of an example of complication of chronic disease due to diabetes mellitus. This unhealing wound may cause severe infection to other parts of the body or cause the organism get into the blood circulation. Sometimes this unhealing wound may transform into skin cancer. Okay, let's see other ingredient of the UGCare. First, rice ceramide. This rice ceramide has an ability to lock the moisture into the skin, therefore it can prevent dryness and irritation. It also helps to protect the skin from environmental damage such as UV light. It has an anti-aging effect, therefore helps in minimize fine lines and wrinkles. The next one is aloe vera. It has a cooling property, therefore it can soothe the sunburn injury. At the same time, it boosts healing of the wound, moisture the skin, fight the aging process due to rich in vitamin C and E and beta-carotene. It reduces the infection and acne, and at the same time, it has the ability to lighten the blemishes on the face. The next one is green apple. It has high in fiber, mineral, and vitamin such as A, B, and C, and low in fat. Therefore, it helps to prevent the obesity, improve the constipation, antioxidant, anti-aging. As a result of high in fiber, it avoids from other diseases such as diabetes mellitus, hypertension, cancer, and other inflammatory diseases. The next ingredient of UGCare is honeydew. This honeydew rich in vitamins, minerals, and other health-promoting plant compounds. It promotes healthy skin, boosts the immune system, improves digestion, regulates blood pressure, and the blood sugar. The next one is acai berry, one of original superfood, loaded with the antioxidant like anthocyanin, help us battle with oxidative stress and aging. Fatty acid in acai berries promote the collagen production that leave the skin glowing. Next one is pomegranate, rich in antioxidants, antiviral, anti-tumor, and anti-inflammatory, as well as vitamins such as A, C, and E, and folic acid. It maintains healthy skin, hair, and teeth, promote the cell regeneration, reduce arthritis, prevent heart problem and indigestion. Cranberry, rich in nutrients, mineral and vitamins, maintain healthy skin, hair and teeth, promote cell regeneration, reduce arthritis, prevent heart problem and indigestion. This picture showing the anatomy of the digestive system, whereby the food and nutrients being absorbed into the blood circulation. It starts from the oral cavity and goes down into the pharynx, smaller part of the digestive system, and downward into the esophagus, get into the stomach, the small intestine, and the large intestine, and further going to be excreted or disposed to the rectum and anus. The total length of the digestive system is about 9 meters or 30 feet. There are several factors that may influence food or nutrients absorption. Number one is the size of the nutrients. The smaller the size of the nutrient, the better it gets absorbed from the digestive system into the blood circulation. The type of food or nutrient also play an important role. The food or nutrient can get dissolved into the water or fat. The better it dissolves in either water or fat, the better it gets absorbed from the digestive system into the blood circulation. The anatomy and physiology of the site of the absorption in the digestive system also play an important role. For example, a young person compared to the old-age person. The young person has an ability to absorb more nutrients or food compared to the old-age person. Presence of inflammation may prevent a better absorption of the nutrients of food. And the other factor could be contributed to the absorption is other food or content in the digestive system. It may contain a lot of fibers or other partly digested food that may prevent the absorption of the important nutrients. So similarly happen for the absorptions of the ingredients or nutrients that present in UGCare. It differs from one individual to another individual depending on the several factors that I had explained earlier. This picture shows another process of the digestive system that involves physiological and the anatomical function of the digestive system. As you can see, the digestion starts from the oral mucosa by the help of the saliva that produced by the salivary gland. Therefore, we advise that anyone would like to consume the UGCare, we advise you to take it when the digestive system lacks food, meaning that it's better for you to consume in the early morning before your breakfast or before any food or drinks, so that the absorption of the nutrients from the UGCare can be absorbed at the optimum level, especially when you put the powder of UGCare in the oral cavity. It can be partly digested by the saliva that present in the oral cavity, and it helps or promote a more absorptions towards other area of the digestive system, meaning that in the stomach, in the small intestine, or in the large intestine. In order to enhance a better absorption, the UGCare was prepared in a small molecule from the plant extracts, and it has a highly soluble because it is in the powder form, and the site of absorption partially can be digested in the oral cavity. Therefore, it can avoid from mixing with other food in the digestive system. Therefore, you have the maximum absorption can occur from the best nutrient or ingredient that present in UGCare. Before I end, I would like to mention here that this UGCare is one of the food supplementation with an added value from its quality ingredients from Artichoke and Dokudami in order to promote the health of the cells in our body. However, it is not a medication, but it may give some health benefits to us. Furthermore, in the current condition that we are facing the global pandemic of COVID-19 that require us to be fit and healthy in order to protect ourselves. Not to mention about other environmental factors such as pollution, advance in biotechnology in production of certain type of food that may contain dangerous chemical that can lead to damage of the cell that may compromise our health status. Therefore, we require nutrients that may help in removing this poison or hazard from our body. So, stay healthy for a better and quality lifestyle. Thank you very much.